Everybody, and welcome to this evening's World Builders webinar. So first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Mira Todorovic, and I'm the CMD of the World Builder company. I'm very excited to present this evening's webinar, so please have your pencils and notebooks ready. And by the way, so if you have any questions, please write them down in the chat or send them to our send it to us through the contact form at the website, which is www.gwbp.io. Global Wealth Builder Program, in short. So maybe you're wondering why I'm so excited to present this third in place webinar. Well, we have really great news to share with you tonight. So let's start by you taking a seat to start your wealth building journey. Isn't it a beautiful picture? Now we come to the disclaimer. This part is very important, so please have patience with me reading it through. Disclaimer. This presentation is for information purposes only and does not constitute an offer or sale or any form of general solicitation or general advertising of interest in any security or investment vehicle. No representation or warranty, express or implied, is made as to the accuracy or completeness of any information contained herein. Wealth Builder Limited expressly disclaims any and all liability based in whole or in part on such information, any errors therein or omissions from. The information contained in this presentation does not recommend the purchase or sale of any security, nor is it an offer to sell, a solicitation of an offer to buy any security. But
could we please ask everyone to mute themselves so we don't have background noises, because this is really important.
remote control.
I will try to find it.
Remote control.
Or you can make me as a host, I can make for you.
No. Thank you, Andreas.
So I just continue to read the rest of it. So, furthermore, the information contained in this presentation is not intended to be, nor should it be construed or used as investment, tax, or legal advice. No representation or warranty expressed or implied is made as to the future performance of any signal or trade, or that individuals will make any profit at all, or will be able to avoid incurring a loss. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. That was heavy. So with that done, let's just continue. So what is Wealth Builder doing? In short, we can say we are driving digital wealth through artificial intelligence, machine learning technology. And what that means, we will explain soon. First of all, let me now introduce you to our partners. Nemesis Technology is our supplier for the trading software and some of our financial products. This will be released to our members later in the time. BitMEX is one of the world's largest exchange and is the trading platform which we mainly use for our trading. We use others as well, but BitMEX is the main one. Crypto Orange is a European-based exchange. One of the reasons why we have chosen this one as a partner is because for you members to easily get hold of cryptocurrencies in a safe and secure way. The technology, when we come to the technology part, I need to tell you that it is a very, very complex, but what we aim to do is to pack it or present it in an easy and understandable way, as much as we can. We use the latest technology to provide our members with the right set of tools. So we trade on the biggest and safest exchanges like BitMEX, as I said before, and Binance. All this so we can protect the assets and create profit for our members. We are trading 24/7, 365 days a year, and using proven strategies, and we apply fully automated trading and machine learning. So to explain in one sentence, Wellbeer is using comprehensive high-end algorithmic trading. With this, let me now pass over to our dedicated CEO of Wealth Builder, Jonas Todorovic, who will take you through the rest of the presentation. And I say thank you for myself, and I advise you really to listen carefully what Jonas will present for you. So thank you. Jonas?
Thank you, Mira. Thank you for the nice introduction. I hope that all of you are out there listening find this as exciting as we do, because what we have managed until now is really amazing in a very, very short time, and that is really exciting, at least for us. So I'm going to go through pieces and parts of how our robot and trading algorithms is working, and by that we start with the momentum trading. And momentum trading, in short words, is trading focused on catching the fast-moving trends of the crypto market. And that happens faster and with larger volatility than on any forex or equity market, which means that you have constantly you constantly need to supervise the market. You constantly need to look on all indications on the market. And through the programming of the robots, we have really reached a part in the momentum trading that is highly profitable for us. And of course, if it is for us, it's also for our members. So from momentum trading, we go into market making. And this is the part that is designed to reduce the risks by acquiring equal numbers of long and short positions in the trade. This is quite complex, as Mira said before, but it's also quite simple. So we use long and short trades. But therefore also non-directional market or crypto assets with a medium to high volatility is absolutely ideal for this type of algorithms. So by programming the robots to use the market making, we can also combine this with the prior. And in that way, we can also have a better working trading algo. So from that, we go to the high frequency trading. And high frequency trading is characterized by high speed and high turnover. So it's something that constantly works in the behind of everything else. It works really, really on high speed. It makes a lot of trades in a very, very short amount of time. So with order to trade rates that leverage the high frequency financial data that we collect, and by collecting them, we can also use them as electronic trading tools, which is also extremely important in these parts. But something that is also very, very important is this risk awareness and management. So we are using low leverages, and we are hedging short and long trades with a hybrid between momentum and mean reversion, which means that we constantly go back if we need to. So we trade on the upside and on the downside. We also have anti-liquidation management with a 30% maximum drawdown. So if the market drops heavily, we also stop the trade. In that way, we protect the assets and the profits. So by that, we go into the core values, what we have, and that is algorithmic adaptability. That's a hard word. Compliance and returns. So by the algorithmic adaptability in the ever-changing world of digital assets, we are trading with algorithms, and we have developed state-of-the-art technology-driven solutions for that. And that is something that we are truly proud of. And the compliance side in the emergent digital assets classes that we are working in has not been regulated by any country or government yet. But still, we need to stay in the regulatory frameworks, such as fund structures and accounting, of course, KYC and AML, know your customer, and anti-money laundering. And that needs to be the core in our business process. But with that said, also, the client returns is one of the most important parts, as I see it. So we seek constantly to maximize the yield by trading the most volatile and liquid assets available on the market today, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. In doing so, we also preserve the highest USD value ratio towards the cryptocurrencies. And I think that with that said, we also cover most of the parts in this fantastic market, but it's really a difficult or complex market, especially if you don't have the time and the possibilities to constantly sit and overview by your computer what's happening on the market. How does the currencies goes up, down? How much trade is it? Do you think that it's going to come a drop, or if it's going to go up again, or will it become a momentum in the trading or in the crypto sphere? So by that, we can also say that we are supervising the trading 24/7, 365 days a year, as we said earlier. And by doing that, over 4 time zones, we have Stockholm, Europe, we have US West, we have Hong Kong, where we also have our head office, and we have Dubai. We cover the whole 24-hour day, and that is also gives us the possibility to run the trading robots on a more aggressive settings, which is also very, very good, because we can constantly stop or start the trade, just to provide our members with the best and highest profitability out from it. So with that said, we come to next slide, and that is, let us show you the way to achieve the lifestyle that you really deserve. And our slogan is, you become what you believe. And for sure, we have learned that in the last 6-8 months. I'm sure that Andreas also agree with me there, because so much time and so much work that we have pulled into this and turned everything inside out, upside down, just to be able to launch this in a way that maybe it's not so normal on the market, but we really do think and believe in this extremely much. And by that, I will come to the next slide, which is the crown jewel of the night or the evening, and that is the news release that we're going to give you. The news release that we've been working for almost a year now in total, but the last 6 months, 24/7. just to really be able to put all pieces and parts together. We are 1 week late, and I hope that everyone can oversee that, because if we give you a time schedule of how much work we put into this to be able to launch it and just have 1 week delay, it's enormous. So from the 11th of November, we open for members, which means that the back office will be fully functional. We will have our sign-up links. We will have our shop done. We will have our products. We have all the trading products. We have all the licenses for the trading. We have the ISR member product done. And we have the payment gateway, which is an enormous effort to get together. And it really took us forever, it feels like. But it's, as I said, 1 week delay, but from the 11th of November, we can really release this and start enrolling members, start earning commissions, and start our trading, which is the core of Wealth Builder. So with that said, just fasten your seatbelts and fly with us to the success of what we can create together. So we wish you a really powerful journey to your own wealth building success.
Well, thank you, Jonas, for the really amazing news. It was really good work. We have worked hard.
We have worked really hard.
And I hope that people who are listening also think the same. I hope
Dear Jonas,
Yes.
dear Mira, you gave a fantastic webinar, fantastic presentation, and with great new, fantastic new news also. I'm really happy to be here and to see everything, because I know you work very hard for this all, and it is look fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mena. Mena is, by the way, the member 001, because she was one of the absolute first persons I spoke to about Wealth Builder. And she gave me some good advices, absolutely. And I think that we're going to make a really powerful journey through it.
Thank you very much.
I hope you agree with me, Mena.
Thank you, Jonas. We will make successful, make groove and biggest company of the world.
Yes, let's do that.
But we have also, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes left. So if somebody has any questions.
We have almost 9 minutes. So if someone have questions for us, just ask us anything that comes in your mind. And you can do it either by the chat or directly here in the webinar, or you can send a question directly through the contact form on the website, www.gwbp.io, Global Wealth Builder Program.io. So feel free, ask us anything.
Everybody understood everything. Great.
That's fantastic. Andreas, can you see? Do we have anything in the chat? Totally impossible to answer that. Depends on the trade, depends on the market, depends on the deposit, depends on the length of the contract. So it's not even possible to honestly give an answer to that. I can only say that until now, we don't have one day with a minus. Every week, what we have done in trade have been on the plus side. But I cannot tell anyone that your package will give this in profit. That would be a lie to do that. The weekly average, what we have seen until now, is between 0.5 and 2.9% on a weekly basis. Yeah, say from 0.5 to 3 on a weekly basis. And then we just need to take the calculator and calculate that towards our deposits. Because if you deposit $500 or if you deposit $15,000, of course it makes a difference, but the percentage doesn't change. It's the same.
Maybe you can explain the packages that we have.
So the different packages, what we will have in the back office goes from 500 to 1,000 to 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 15, 20, 30, and 50,000. That is the fixed prices calculated in dollars, but paid in Bitcoin. So everything that comes into the company is paid in with Bitcoin and paid out with Bitcoin.
Maybe also
We have, yeah, to answer that, we have 4 different packages. It's a 6-month open package. From that package, you can withdraw your profits every month. And after 6 months, the deposit is paid back to you. Then we have 6-month traditional package, which is a compounding package. There, the profit and the initial principal is locked in. So after 6 months, everything is paid out. Then we have 12-month contract. There is the deposit locked for 12 months. The profit is paid out after 90 days. So if you choose to take the profit out, you can do so. If you choose to leave it, it will go directly into compounding. Same is for the 18-month package. And that goes both for the Bitcoin trading and the altcoin trading.
and 18 months is banking days.
Yes. You can really, no, you can take what you want from the profit. You can take maybe 10% or 5% or 50% of the profit. But in that package, what you have in trade, you cannot use the profit and fill it up. You need to buy a new package. But for that, you can use the profit. Because each license is unique for each and every package. The lowest is 500, yes. Yeah, let's say I give you an example. Let's say that you put 500 in trade. You put it on an 18-month contract. So you pay in total $650. $150 is for the trading license. And after some time, you gain some profit. And with that profit, you can buy a new package. Let's say that you buy a new $500 package, then you need to have $650 in your profit account. But you can also, in any time, send Bitcoin to your account or to us as a payment for a package. So you can combine that. Maybe you have $150 in your profit account and you send in additionally $500. Then you can open another $500 18-month contract. So we have 2.5 minutes left, and I really hope that we have some more questions, or maybe it's crystal clear for everyone. Everyone that is pre-registered through the process from earlier will be given a login and will be given a password and we will use all the usernames that you have supplied us with. And you will also receive an email with a demand of changing the password, because the password will be generated for you. So please, when you can log into the back office, go in and first thing you do, change the password. Important. Now we have less than a minute left, so I really thank you all that you have been here tonight, this evening, and it's an exciting evening for us at least. And I really hope that I will see more of you and speak more to you, and anyone that wants to can contact me with anything that they need help with from me or something like that. And by that we are really, from the bottom of the heart, thank you everyone, and let's really do this now and make it right for each and every one of us. So we wish you all a nice evening and a good, really good coming week. We're going to work day and night the coming week to be able to launch on the 11th, but we are going to do it. So thank you everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.